Hey fam, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you some of the inspirational book which you all should must read. As you know guys, reading books help your brain to be more active and it gives your brain a different kind of workout than watching TV or series or listening to the radio or music. Reading help you to find out the new real you and gives you a different perspective of your life. So in this video I will share you some of the good books review which help you to choose the right one. So let's not waste more time here and let's move on into the video. So the first one is The Alchemist. It's a novel by a Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. It became a widely translated international bestseller novel. The Alchemist has become a popular book for many reasons. It gives you an insight of how life can be in different perspective. At the same time, it tells you how important your dreams are or can be and tells you to follow your dream. It advises you to live your dreams. So, the second book is The Circle of Art Not Giving a Fuck. This book is by Mark Manson and this is published on 2016. This book doesn't tell you things, it just speak out loud what you have been thinking about your entire life. This book just offers you something to reflect on, which is quite refreshing. And this book teaches us that the key to being stronger and happier people is to handle adversity better and stop trying to be positive all the time. I will must recommend you guys to have a look on this book. It's quite amazing to read. So, the next book is Becoming by Michelle Obama. Becoming is the memoir of former First Lady of the United States Michelle Obama, which is published in 2018. This book talks about her roots and how she found her voice, as well as her time in the White House, her public health campaign, and her role as a mother. It is an interesting, funny, and you can learn a lot from it. I think it is also an excellent read for everyone who is being forced to stay at home because of corona crisis. So the fourth one is Unposted Letter by Mahatriara. This is the second part of Most and More. This was definitely the best and one of the finest book I ever read. This book is full of powerful maxims, deep wisdom, simple and practical insight to having a beautiful attitude for life. A life-changing experience for every young person for self-inspiration. A book worth reading. Once you read this book, some sentence will remain with you forever. This book guides you to the path of success and happiness through simple techniques and makes us realize the significance of small and big things in life. And the fifth one is The Diary of a Young Girl. This was published on 1947 and written by Annie Frank. This book is funny, heartbreaking, inspiring, which will make it so easy for you to keep the memory of Annie Frank. The Diary of the Young Girl taught that we don't really need all the stuff that we think we really need, like smartphone, TV, luxurious house, car. Annie Frank learned us how to enjoy even the smallest bit of life, like the sun or the sound of birds. She encouraged people to remember the little thing in life and appreciate what you have. And the final one is this Think, Grow and Rich, which was written by Napoleon Hill in 1937. and it promoted as a personal development and self-improvement book. This book is famous because it has a catchy and compelling title, and it provides a clear and unexpected blueprint for how to achieve success beyond your wildest dream in any line of work. When you read the Napoleon Hill's principle for attaining great fortune, it might strike you that growing rich is far more than making money. So I will recommend you all this book, guys. You should have must look on it for once at least. I hope it will help you to develop curiosity and desire to explore the world of reading. And I hope you will choose the right one. That's it, guys, for today. Hope you like this.